For dealers that doesn't deal with any Class A exempted devices, click none of the above. Okay, once you click that, the next thing you need to do is to provide a declaration letter. So the declaration letter is to be submitted on the company letterhead. Okay, it has to be signed and dated. So you just have to tell us, I declare I'm not dealing with any Class A exempted devices. And the declaration letter is to be attached in section 5. Okay, so this is section 5 is the supporting documents. Okay, click here to attach your relevant documents, and you'll be given this interface where you have the declaration letter. If you have any DDD-NDS certificate you need to upload, or any ISO 13485 certificates, so you can upload accordingly. And once you're done, just click close. Okay, so when it's closed, it will bring you back to the main page where you see all your different sections of your dealer's license renewal application. So the next step you have, if there's no remarks to ask, you click confirm. And once the confirm button is clicked, it will show you the summary of what you have done. Okay, so if you are going through the list and realize that there are no other issues you're ready to go, you make sure that you click this attestation button, okay, where you have this accept or decline. It's at decline by default. So just make sure that you click accordingly to accept. And then here you are. The next button to choose is your submit button. Okay. Once submitted, you'll bring you to the payment advice page. So make sure that you choose your correct online payment. You will pay by credit card. Go for this online payment. It is gyro. Pull down this window. Pull down this scroll button, and then you click accordingly. Okay. Once you verify the details are correct, click submit. Okay, you'll be given this acknowledgement. So they said that it has been successfully renewed. Okay, please note that for online payment e-pay, the extension of the expiry date is immediate. Okay, if you are paying by gyro, the extension of the expiry date is upon successful deduction for your gyro. So it's something to take note of. Okay, now we're going through the other regulatory updates. When Class A exempted devices are concerned, the trademark clearance, we encourage you to make sure that you use the correct product code. For Class A exempted devices, the product code is HSA-NDX 00200. Okay? Companies are not required to state the SNDR, the transition list, or the authorization numbers in their trademark declaration forms. However, there's no change to the HS code, and then as well as your importer's license declaration procedures, they still stay the same. Okay, other duties for licensees, you have to comply with the license conditions. Okay, for wholesalers, you have to ensure that the supply is only to the person who will lawfully supply the medical device. You have the duty to maintain the records for supply and complaints, and as well as producing the records for inspection, especially when our colleagues come to your facilities for a visit. So make sure you have the records ready. And also you have to report any defects or any adverse effects pertaining to your product. Any information on your product that is adversely affecting the quality, safety, and effectiveness of the device, you have to report this to us. And also the duty or obligation to notify and produce reports or recalls and FSCAs. Okay, this is a quick update of what are the communications we have done over the months. Okay, in June this year we have sent out 2 letters for dealers to giving them details on the revised Class A exemption list, and also the change notification for administrative changes, the very many administrative changes. And in another letter, we have also updated the information pertaining to the exemption list for importers and manufacturer licenses. So just another reminder that only importers and manufacturers of Class A essential devices licensees will have to do their maintaining of this exemption list. For wholesalers, you don't have to do it. Okay, in July, we have initiated the first round of the refunds for non-sterile Class A applications. Okay, and early this month, we have also published some of the guidelines on the half-yearly declaration of the exempted devices. Right, so thank you for your attention, and any questions, you can always email us at @ccnd.info. And before I release you from your break, this is the Annex A that we have enclosed for your for this handout. So in case you are not sure, you are really clueless and you really need to know the classification of the device in a very short period of time, refer to this last slide where we have the decision trees. Okay? So run a quick through, so answer the questions. If all your answers to these questions are yes, chances are it's a Class A sterile medical devices and you need product registration. Okay? If not, you have other regulatory controls that may apply, or if not, Class A is other classes of medical devices, and then you have to make sure that you comply to the product registration requirements. Okay? If it's a non-sterile medical devices, how to note exempted. Okay? If you're not if you're importers and manufacturers, make sure that you fulfill the obligations that we have for you. Okay, so this is the end of Class A